Alright. You gonna open that one, Sprout? How do I zoom in on him?
You can't once you're shaking.
Oh.
You
Alright.
can stop it and do it again, though.
Well, that's okay.
Giving it a little bit. Very neat.
What is that?
Lord, that letter C song has 1.8 billion views.
Oh, goodness.
Million.
What is that?
1.8 million.
You don't want to pass me the things like
What's in there, Zabby?
Who's that? Who's that?
that? Need help?
You'll probably have to get it out of the box, Andre. It's attached somehow.
Probably need,
Like scissors or something?
probably. But maybe we can free Elmo.
Free
Can I rip the box?
Elmo.
Okay.
Oh yeah, break the box. Doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah.
He's a LOL Elmo.
Hello, Elmo.
He's a LOL Elmo. Is he laughing? Is he laughing? Why do they make Elmo in the jail?
He says, why would you give me this toy, Uncle Andre?
Elmo is a bad boy. He's tied down like a crazy person.
Do you need scissors or something to get them out?
Maybe. Elmo?
He's free.
He's heavy.
Free!
He's got something inside.
You're heavy, Elmo.
Is he on?
Squeeze his
Do
foot.
you like walk around and
He
stuff?
squeezes his feet, Andre.
Squeeze his feet.
Oh. Oh.
Are you tickling him?
Are you tickling Elmo?
Tickle him. Tickle him.
Do you tickle Elmo?
Tickle him. Give his foot.
Why did the cookie have to go to the doctor? Because he felt crummy.
Is he laughing?
Give him foot.
You can tickle his tummy as well, I think, once he starts going.
You're so silly.
You kind of sit him up, Andre.
So cute.
What a What do you call it when a cow sings? Cool sing. Elmo starts to laugh out loud.
Now we want to play with the block.
Yeah, of course.
That's hilarious.
What is that thing attached to the
That
block?
comes out too. It's kind of a squeaky thing.
So funny. Oh, is it a pillow or something? Oh, it's his fishbowl.
Oh, okay.
On the, there's like a series, and then there's
Oh,
there's like half the show.
Elmo laughing.
Yes.
That's probably wired in as well.
That's Dorothy.
I'm sure it is, yeah. It has to be
Dorothy?
stuck in there somehow.
Is it a dog toy?
Can you tickle Elmo's feet, buddy?
Let's see if I can free Dorothy too.
Don't make it easy, get it?
Oh, I should have.
You want to come show Dad Elmo?
Bring Elmo over to see Dad. I don't want.
Oh, oh, thank you.
There you go.
You bringing Elmo over here now? Not till I'm done ripping apart this box.
Totally forgot potatoes.
Of course,
I'm gonna have them.
Oh. Oh. Maybe take those, Andre, and just put them in your pocket or something. Yeah.
The wires, yeah.
Throw it all in that garbage bag right behind you, Andre.
Paper.
Either way, I don't want them to eat it.
Right behind you, honey. There's a white bag.
Throw all the paper in that bag. Andrew.
Oh!
What's that, Daddy?
What you got there? Dad, see? Goes. Oh. Oh. Mmm.
Uncle Andre tickling Elmo?
You have to start him off by squeezing the foot.
Yeah, just squeeze the foot first, yeah.
Woohoo! What's that? What?
He's trying to feed him the goldfish. Here, you eat this fish.
Elmo hungry?
Did you feed him? Good job.
Is this yours? Isn't he funny?
Yes.
Cracks me up.
Do you want some of that stuff?
Oh. You want a sip? It's hard to do both. You want a sip, Seth? Oh, it's not a hand bath.
Have you
Nope,
stopped
not
the video
interested
yet?
then. No, it's still videoing.
Try to stop it and make them shorter rather.